Steps for creating a new proposal requirement on tool44.com. 1. Sign up or log into your account at tool44.com. 2. Once logged in, navigate to the Marketplace tab in the left side menu and click on it. 3. Inside the Marketplace tab, select the requirement list option from the left side menu and click on it. 4. You will be directed to a page where you can view all your requirements proposals. 5. To locate a specific requirement or proposal, you can use the search bar or apply filters to narrow down the list. 6. If you have an existing proposal that is not assigned to anyone, you can edit or delete it by clicking on the respective icons, provided that it is editable or deletable. 7. To create a new proposal, click on the Add Proposal button located in the top right corner of the page. This will redirect you to the Create Proposal page. 8. Fill out the form with the necessary details for your proposal. This typically includes information such as the proposal title, description, required skills, budget, and any other relevant information. Once you have filled out the form, review the information and ensure it is accurate. Then, click on the Submit button to submit your proposal. 9. After submitting your proposal, you can view it by clicking on the See More option associated with the proposal. This will open a detailed view of your proposal where you can see information such as the bidding list and other relevant details. 10. You can manage your proposals, review bids, and communicate with interested parties through the bidding and proposal management features provided. That's it. You have now learned how to create a new proposal requirement on tool44.com. Utilize this feature